This is a story of a fat and ugly guy named Lehman Bobby Oliver. As every American, he was fat and ugly. And he needed to lose weight. So, he worked out. 70 pounds aren't easy to lose. But he did jumpy jacks, sit-ups, push-ups, and many other exercises. Until finally, he'd lost some weight. He was still ugly though. Very ugly. But he managed to score a date with wonderful Camilla Belle.
How was it like dating this fat, ugly guy, Lehman Bobby Oliver?
It was actually a really refreshing experience for me.
That's all that matters for Lehman, because he was happy.